Hormones are chemical messengers that are secreted into the blood, which carries them to organs and tissues to exert their function. Here I will discuss the classes of hormones on the basis of their modes of action. They are categorized into two subtypes. The first is cell surface receptor and the second is the nucleoreceptor. Here, in this diagram, I will tell you the mechanism of action of hormones via cytosol and via the nucleus. On the left hand side, we see that the water soluble hormones act by binding to cell surface receptor, which further activates second messengers. It could be either cyclic AMP or cyclic GMP, results to very large amplification of original signals and altered activity of pre-existing enzymes. On the right hand side, we see that the water insoluble hormones readily pass through plasma membrane of the target cell to reach their receptor proteins in the nucleus. It interacts with DNA to alter the expression of genes, changing cellular metabolism, thus altering the amount of newly synthesized proteins. Next comes the classes of hormones on the basis of their solubility. It is categorized into three divisions. The first is water soluble hormones, also called as peptide-to-romine hormones. The second is water insoluble hormones, also called as lipid soluble hormones. And the last is gaseous hormones. Now let's discuss the water soluble hormones in detail. Their mode of action is by the cell surface receptors, as discussed above. The subtype of water soluble hormones are firstly amines. The example of amines are epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are secreted by the adrenal medulla. The second is melatonin, which is secreted by the pineal gland. The third is serotonin, which is secreted by the platelets in blood. The second subtype is eicosanoids. The example are prostaglandins, which are secreted by the arachidonate fatty acids. And the third is peptide and proteins. The first example of peptide and proteins are PRL, prolactin hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropin hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. These are all secreted by the anterior pituitary. Parathyroid hormone, insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin, which are released by the pancreas. Next is calcitonin, which is secreted by the thyroid gland. Oxytocin and the antidiuretic hormone ADH is secreted by the posterior pituitary. Gastrin, secretin, and cholecystokinin secreted by the stomach and small intestine. Next is leptin, which is secreted by the adipose tissues. The last is all hypothalamic releasing and inhibiting hormones, which are secreted by the hypothalamus. Let's discuss the water insoluble hormones, also called as the lipid soluble hormones, in detail. Their mode of action is via nucleoreceptors. The first subtype is steroid hormones, whose examples are firstly aldosterone and cortisol, which is secreted by the adrenal cortex. The second is testosterone, which is secreted by the testes. The last is estrogen and progesterone, which are secreted by the ovaries. The second subtype is thyroid hormones. The first example is T3 triiodothyronine, and the second is T4 tetraiodothyronine, which are secreted by the follicular cells of thyroid gland. The last is gaseous hormones, and the mode of hormone is cytosolic receptor, and second messengers are cyclic GMP. The example of gaseous hormones is nitric oxide, which is secreted by the endothelial lining of the blood vessels. This is all about the different classes of hormones. Hope you like this video. Thank you.